There's this limited edition hot honey ice creams. All-purpose flour today. 1.5 cups. This is a 1/2 cup measure, so I'm going to do 3 of these. Regular flour, 1.5 teaspoons, and I've got a 1/2 teaspoon measure here. Not baking soda, we're just using baking powder for this recipe. Just level it off. 1, 2, and 3. Take this, we're just going to mix it together. So this isn't as sweet as a cake, but it's still going to have some sweetness because obviously we're using ice cream. Make sure that that's all leveled off so it cooks evenly. We're going to take some rainbow sprinkles and just sprinkle that on top, and that goes on before we throw it in the oven. Okay, and then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Hi guys, look at this cake, it's so pretty. So obviously it's a cake, but it's not as sweet as the cake, the viral cake recipe that has like a pint of ice cream and like a cake mix. So let me just give this a cut out of the corner. I'm hoping this comes out really, really well. Oh, and it does. So pretty. So we're going to do a little taste test. Now, remember, we use the hot honey for this and not the hot honey ice cream for this and not just a regular vanilla or regular honey ice cream. So it might be a little spicy, but we'll see. I would say that it's about as sweet as like a cornbread. And it's not that spicy at all. There's a little heat on the back, but not that spicy. I think this would be great either as a dessert, you could put like frosting or some whipped cream on top, or because you're using the hot honey, you could probably serve this as a side for people who don't really like cornbread. Who I don't know who those people are, but because I love cornbread, but this is like the flour version. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you try this recipe at home.